Hey everybody, how you doing? In today's video, we got 5 things to do after working out. So, before we get right into it, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, turn on the notification bell in case we upload any new videos so that you'll be the first person to know. And comment down below what thing you would love to do after working out. But without saying anything more, let's get right into it. So you might ask yourself, what are the 5 things you have to do after working out? Some of them you have been doing, but others you haven't. So the first thing you have to do after working out is cooling down. If you stop exercising like too suddenly, you may feel very lightheaded or even dizzy. So your temperature will rise when you exercise and your blood vessels will widen. So, when you're cooling down, you're giving your body the opportunity to return back the blood vessels to their normal position and take advantage of the treadmill's cool down setting. Trust me, that shit helps a lot. Another thing is stretching. Now, to some people, it might not be a no-brainer, but to others, it's a very big deal. You want your body to return back to how it was before you started working out, right? But remember, muscles stretch and lengthen best when they are warm. So, before you start doing any form of workout, this is an extra tip. Try to warm up a little bit, a few laps around the pitch, or before you start lifting very heavy weights, try lifting something light. Anyways, another thing that you have to do after working out is drink up. Now, to some people, they're like, we already do that. But your body loses water when you're working out, and you want to rehydrate your body with water to help increase muscle flexibility and strengthen the muscles. So, you want to reduce the muscle soreness. In order to do that, you have to drink a lot of water, not during workouts, but after working out. Another thing that you may have not thought of, trust me, this is going to blow your mind. So you better embrace yourself for it. Changing your clothes. Yup, that's right. Seems like a no-brainer, right? I know. But maybe you're in such a hurry that you have to go to work and you're coming back so late from working out to the point you don't even have to change clothes and you just use the same clothes to do all the work you're supposed to do the entire day. Well, you have to change your clothes after working out because you do sweat, and you have to change your underwear, your bra, or even your workout clothes, because if you don't, it will trap moisture, promoting growth of yeast, fungi, bacteria, and germs, and we don't want that for you. So the fifth thing you have to do after working out is taking a cold shower. Yep, you heard me. You have to shower. And much as you shower after working out, this time you have to use a little bit more cool water. It doesn't have to be an ice bath necessarily, like a pro footballer, but you need to adjust the shower temperature to lower than you usually use to shower. A cold shower can increase the healing process and decrease your muscle inflation after working out. Well, those are the top 5 things you have to do after working out. So, once again, thank you so much for making it this far in the video. We really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment down below about what you liked about this video. Without saying anything much, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.